This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lisa Martineau. Experience the peace and tranquility of country living on your own acre of land in this new construction 3-bedroom 2-bath home. The Magnolia Model from BWC is a great open floor plan house with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Located in the up-and-coming neighborhood of Rainbow Lakes Estates just 30 minutes west of Ocala, 15 minutes from downtown Dunnellon, and 30 minutes from the Gulf Coast town of Crystal River. This home's upgrades include stainless steel appliances, all-wood cabinets with soft close hinges, granite countertops in kitchen and baths, tile shower and bathtub wall, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, 2-car garage with garage door opener. Builder provides new home warranty. Love the community you live in. Rainbow Lakes Estates offers a community center and a recreational park which include playgrounds, tennis courts, racquetball courts, basketball courts, baseball field, walking trails, a boat ramp to Tiger Lake, and picnic pavilions with no HOAs. Rainbow River and Rainbow Springs are part of Marion County's top outdoor attractions and are only a short 10-minute drive from Rainbow Lakes Estates. Enjoy the crystal clear water for kayaking, tubing and outdoor fun. Play a round of golf just 10 minutes away at nationally recognized Juliette Falls Championship Golf Course. Whether you enjoy outdoor activities and adventure, or prefer to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature, you'll love calling Rainbow Lakes Estates your home. For more information, review